I'm going to destroy the school's fire alarm. Yes. I destroyed the school's fire alarm. Yes. I destroyed the school's fire alarm. Oh crud. It's Ms. Jennifer.
Dark Wrench Virtual Virus. How dare you destroy the school's fire alarm? That fire alarm costed $730. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Dark Wrench Virtual Virus, what brings you here in my office?
I destroyed the school's fire alarm.
Dark Wrench Virtual Virus, I can't believe you destroyed the school's fire alarm. That fire alarm cost $730. That's it. You're suspended for 7 weeks. Go home right now.
Dark Wrench Virtual Virus. We can't believe you destroyed the school's fire alarm and got suspended for 7 weeks. You know that fire alarm costs $730. Now we have to get a new fire alarm for your school by next week. That's it. You are grounded for 10 days.
Get your wrench your ass upstairs to your room right this freaking instant, or else we will send you to police.
What?